I got a crazy one for you today, folks. So I'm learning how to use the motion controller and the goggles. And so I was just screwing around. I was waiting for the lawnmower repair guy to come by to switch my, take my snowblower off my lawnmower. And while I was waiting for him, I decided to fly my drone around a little bit with the goggles. And yeah, it's pretty neat. I didn't turn the head tracking on. That's why I had such a hard time in the lack. I had the head tracking on, and I was trying to learn to use the motion controller. So I finally learned how to steer it, kinda. But yeah, you definitely fly differently. Like, for instance, like I left my front yard today at like 25 miles an hour, going up and out. Relatively complicated moves with two sticks. So, and a lot closer to trees than I'm used to too. So, like on the way out and on the way in, you gotta point at the ground and squeeze the trigger. This is all with the motion controller. Just turn around and straight and whatever, as long as it so right now the camera follows the drone's path. So, but I'm flying it fully with the motion controller. I don't even have the regular control turned on. So I have to stick relatively close because I have no map to get home. I have an H that pops up on the screen once in a while if I'm pointed the right way. But there's no radar, no maps, nothing. It's really good visibility. When I come back home, watch how it comes back in the backyard. Here it comes. So the way I had to just point, I had a white circle, I just pointed it right at the ground and squeezed the trigger. With the trigger, it stopped right where it was. I had to squeeze slowly to get in. So it's a lot of fun. If you ever get an opportunity to try it out, What's the worst thing that could happen?
Holy fuck, come back.
Where is it?
I don't know, let's see.
Oh.
Oh, fuck.
Where the hell is it? I know it went in here somewhere.